Hello guys, welcome to our channel Plzzz, and today is our first vlog. So today we are going to do momo mukbang. This is chili powder chutney, this is tomato chutney, soup. Let's start it. Cheers. Let's try. First bite. So juicy. So good. And this is fried momo. Let's try with chili powder chutney. So nice. So crunchy. So nice. Very tasty. It's so juicy. Momo is my favorite. So tasty. Very nice. So big momo. My favorite chutney is chili powder chutney. This is my favorite chutney. Very tasty. Momo is my favorite. And with this chili powder chutney, it's awesome. To make this chili powder chutney is very easy. You need chili powder, then garlic, oil, salt, that's it. It's very easy to make. You guys also try it. Let's try momo. Let's try with chili powder chutney. Hear the crunchiness. It's very crunchy. You can see the stuffing. Good. Very good. Very tasty. Like one small one. Good. Tasty. So juicy. Tasty. The chutney is a little spicy.
Last bite.
Last piece. I will eat this chili powder chutney. Soup, I don't like that much, so I'm not going to bring the soup. Later, my husband will drink. It's very tasty. The pork momo is very tasty, and especially the chutney, chili powder
This
chutney.
is also good.
And we are over. We ate nicely, and guys, please watch our channel, and our channel is Plzzz, and please guys subscribe, share, and like and give lots of love to our channel. This is our first vlog. Bye.
Bye bye.